E-2C Hawkeye early warning, aircraft assembly video. Let's take out the aircraft parts one by one. Part 1. Assemble the front and rear fuselages. First, install 2 carbon tubes. Apply foam glue to the 2 carbon tubes. After applying the glue, insert it into the front fuselage. Next, the elevator servo wiring, rudder servo wiring, lighting wiring, and corresponding extension cables for the forward fuselage should be pre-connected. Lift connects to lift. We insert it first. Connect the rudder to the rudder. Connect the light wire to the light wire. Next, we need to apply foam glue to the tail. Apply foam glue to the connecting position to fix. Apply glue evenly on the contact surface. Glue both sides. After we assemble it, the whole fuselage will be very firm. Then we align the carbon tube and connect the tail and fuselage. Part 2. Install the wings. First, connect the wing and the middle wing joint. There is a large slot inside the middle wing. Put the joint inside and flatten it. After flattening, fasten the wing. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Fix the screw holes on the back with the corresponding screws. Part 3. Flat tail vertical tail installation. Untie the lines. Align the rudder and horizontal stabilizer with the slots. Fix it with screws after assembly. Put the line into the slot neatly. Be careful not to install it backwards. Fix it with screws. The horizontal and vertical tails are assembled. Part 4. Install the horizontal and vertical tails. The horizontal and vertical tails of this plane are designed with dual servos. So both the horizontal and vertical tails have 2 wires. This is the Y-line interface. It has 2 interfaces for lift and descent, and 2 for direction. We just need to connect the corresponding interfaces. Align the direction with the direction, and lift and drop correspond to lift and drop. Insert the connected wires into the wire slot. Press and fix it. Fix it with 3 screws in turn. Part 5. Install the horizontal tail decoration. Apply glue to the decoration and installation slot respectively. Just press and fix it. Part 6. Turntable connection and installation. Fix the hexagonal connecting shaft with a machine screw. Before installing the turntable connection, connect the motor wire and the body extension cord. After connecting, arrange the wires. Put the connector into this slot. Then fix our turntable connection. Fix the front screw hole with a short screw. The back is fixed with long screws. Next, align the turntable slot with the hexagonal coupling. Fix it with screws. Part 7. The installation of propellers. First, insert 2 spacers in the forward and reverse order. In the same way. Let's look at this propeller. The one with number 10.5 times 8 and 2 behind. It's a reverse propeller. The 10.5 times 8 without 2 is a positive propeller. The forward and reverse propellers are installed on different motors. First, remove the screws of the spinner. Both propellers of our aircraft propellers rotate inward. So the left motor is equipped with a positive propeller, and the right side is the reverse propeller. Don't install it wrong when installing. Remove the nut before installation. Then install the base. The back of the base has 4 clips, which should be stuck in this position of the blade holder. Install the positive propeller. Use a pair of pliers to tighten the screws. Then install the spinner. Screw the screws on. Install the other side in the same way. Fix them with screws in turn. Installation completed. Part 8. ABS decorative parts installation. We can use foam glue to fix them. There are 2 on top and 3 below. Decorative parts can be installed or not. The assembly video of the E-2C Hawkeye early warning aircraft is done. After installation, we leave it overnight. It's better to fly after the glue is completely dry.